story time.
Please, Grandma soon started telling us stories.
Yeah, sure. Once upon a time, in a kingdom not too far away, there lived a young woman named Rapunzel. Unlike the classic tale where she was locked away in a tower, Rapunzel was trapped in a high-tech fortress built by a cunning wizard named Zorak. This fortress was filled with gadgets, screens, and intricate security systems designed to keep her inside. Rapunzel had long, magical hair that glowed with a brilliant light. It was not just beautiful, it held powerful magic that could manipulate technology. Zorak had captured her not just for her hair, but to harness its magic for his own nefarious plans. One day, as Rapunzel gazed longingly out of her fortress window, she noticed a small group of villagers gathering below. They were talking about a festival in the nearby town. With a deep sigh, she wished she could join them. Suddenly, an idea struck her. Using her magical hair, she hacked into Zorak's security system. The screens flickered as she accessed the fortress's controls. She turned off the alarms and opened the massive doors. Her heart raced with excitement. As she stepped outside, she felt the warmth of the sun on her face for the first time in years. She quickly made her way to the town, blending in with the crowd. The festival was vibrant, filled with laughter, music, and delicious smells. She felt free and alive. Zorak had realized she was gone and was searching for her. As the sun set, Rapunzel knew she had to return to the fortress before he caught her. But just then, she overheard a conversation between two villagers discussing Zorak's evil plans to take over the kingdom using his advanced technology. Rapunzel approached them. "I know how to stop him," she said. The villagers were skeptical at first, but her glowing hair caught their attention. She explained her unique ability to manipulate technology and how she had already managed to escape. Rapunzel devised a plan to confront Zorak. They gathered a group of villagers who believed in her and headed back to the fortress. As they approached, Zorak's security systems began to activate, but Rapunzel was ready. She used her hair to hack into the system again, disabling the alarms and opening the gates. Zorak was furious. "You dare return, Rapunzel? You think you can outsmart me?" he sneered. But Rapunzel was determined. "I'm not just a prisoner anymore. I have friends who believe in me." Zorak unleashed his technological minions, but Rapunzel and the villagers fought back using clever gadgets they had created. Rapunzel's hair glowed brighter as she tapped into her magic, disabling Zorak's machines one by one. Finally, she confronted Zorak directly. "You may have trapped me, but you'll never trap my spirit." With a final burst of energy, she unleashed a wave of magic that caused Zorak's fortress to implode, transforming it into a beautiful garden filled with flowers and light. The villagers cheered for Rapunzel. "You did it," they exclaimed. "You freed yourself and us from his tyranny." Rapunzel smiled, realizing she had not only gained her freedom but also the support of the community. Rapunzel decided to use her talents to help others. She set up a tech workshop where she taught villagers how to use technology creatively and wisely. They created inventions that improved their lives and made the kingdom a better place. Filled with laughter, friendship, and creativity. And Zorak? Well, he learned that true power comes from kindness, not control, and he eventually sought redemption, joining Rapunzel in her mission to help the kingdom. And so, Rapunzel lived happily ever after, not just as a princess, but as a brilliant inventor and a beloved friend to all. Yahoo! Rapunzel won. Ha 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 ha.
Subscribe to my channel.